Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to keep full screen on Amazon Prime. This is particularly helpful when you want an uninterrupted viewing experience without any distractions from browser toolbars or other windows. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After you've successfully logged in, look at the top toolbar where you'll find the Prime Video option. Click on it to access Amazon's streaming service. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can open Prime Video directly in your web browser by typing in the Prime Video URL, which can save you a step. Now, although I can't play any movie right now since I'm not yet subscribed to Amazon Prime Video, I'll walk you through the next steps so you know exactly what to do. Once you're in Prime Video, you'll want to search for the movie or show you want to watch. Use the search bar typically located at the top of the page and type in the title you're looking for. After you've found what you want to watch, click on the title to open its watch page. This page will give you details about the show or movie, including the synopsis, cast, and available seasons if it's a series. On this page, you'll see a button that says either Watch Now or Play. Click on that button to start the video, and the player will begin loading your content. Once the video starts playing, look for the full screen icon in the video player. This icon is usually shown as 4 outward arrows or a square icon, typically located in the bottom right corner of the player. Click on this icon to expand the video to full screen mode. This should fill your entire screen with the video, giving you that immersive viewing experience. However, if the browser window is still not filling the screen completely, press F11 on your keyboard. This keyboard shortcut toggles your browser into full screen mode, which removes all toolbars and browser elements. This ensures that absolutely nothing is obstructing your view of the video. Here's an important tip. Sometimes when you press F11, the video might exit full screen mode while the browser enters it. If this happens, simply click the full screen icon in the video player again. This will re-enable full screen mode for the video itself, and now you'll have both the browser and the video in full screen, giving you the complete uninterrupted experience you're looking for. And that's it. You've now set up Amazon Prime Video to stay in full screen mode, allowing you to enjoy your favorite shows and movies without any distractions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.